Hey viewers, thanks for watching my first ever shorts video. Today I'm going to be testing the cooling system on this little mini excavator, and I'm going to be using this Vigus link in the description below. It is a pressure tester. It will pressurize by using these adapters. You can put one on top of the radiator and pump it up with that pump, and we will get a test on are we losing pressure once we pressurize the system, and if so, can we see where it's leaking? Let's try it out. Now, because it's not a car, I don't really have a way of looking up which is the right cap. I've already determined one of my problems, my main problem. This is supposed to have a rubber gasket at the base, and here, that one's gone. So it's going to blow it all out. It's never going to get compression. Let's see. The adapters. That's really not the one. On mine, it's not number 5. It is number 4. And I'll show you what those are. This set is supposed to fit these vehicles. So this would be number 4, Acura, Bell, Lexus, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Suzuki, Toyota, which makes sense because this excavator is also Japanese, made by IHI, which is a little bit of an off-brand, but anyway, let's get the little pump. Now, you want to test it to the pressure that it normally runs at, 15 psi. They're usually marked on the cap somewhere. And we're just going to pump this up to 15 and see if we're holding. And I think we're going down just a little bit. So let's see if we can see any fluid. What you're trying to do is search for leaks. Oh, that'll give you a leak because I just pulled the thing to the side. We just heard it sizzle off. Let me redo that, bring it back. Okay, got it back up over 15. This time I won't let that fall. And yes, we do have a leak. I can see some coming around the bottom of that hose there, for sure. And that's leaked down there. Yeah, that's wet. Okay, well, that's at least one of my leaks. So, does the little set work? Yes. Does it fit every car? Does it fit your car? I don't know. But it works perfect on this machine. And all you can do is just watch that, and it shouldn't be bleeding off pressure. And it is, so we know we have a leak. Could be head gasket, could be water pump, could be a lot of things. Ours, we see a hose leak, and I'll just search for more. But that's my review. I declare that tool Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.